Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. So today we have a very quick update for you guys. The folks at Autodesk have revealed a brand new logo. So this is it's pretty nice, very confident, very bold. It actually has a very micro blog that you can come through and check out. Now the idea for this one is to reimagine and also go with something that is more geometrically looking, contrary to what we had previously that was more of entertainment like. I think the folks at Autodesk, they're heading towards engineering, construction stuff more than the entertainment side. Of course, there's also a couple of other things that you can get with your tools, but from the logo, it seems to look more like they're taking a look at geometrical forms to create things like this. So you can see from here all the way down to this part. The only thing which I kind of nitpicked out of it is right here, you would notice that we have bevels, and for some reason when it disappears, the bevel actually disappears with it. I would have really loved to get these things going, but it is what it is. So cool stuff you can get from this. So something to pick up here is, for 4 decades, Autodesk has worked with doers to transform how things are designed and made, but we are relentless to do more, and our new brand embodies this relentless commitment to better discover your voice, explore visual elements, create compelling experiences, and learn more co-branding. So you can check out some of these things here. And for those who would like to get into branding, I think despite the fact that, you know, we're here to look at the Autodesk thingy, if you really want to learn about branding, I think these pages that they have here, or, you know, the brand hub that they created, actually leads you into learning more stuff. Some design principles, some typography, some color, some brand imagery. You get the entire idea of the process that was put into place before that logo came to be. So if you would like to check this one out, you can also go over to the blog where they kind of announced it, and you can see some amazing things. And for sure, if you would also go over to the autodesk.com page, you would also notice that this logo has actually taken over everything. And there's also a couple of brand elements that you can find here. So from the logo to, you know, the placement, and all the way down to the typography, all the way down to how it should look on clothes and on pants, and also on some other merch as well. And this looks pretty nice. And speaking about the merch and all these things, I would like to ask, would you guys be interested in getting an askNK merch? If that is a yes, simply put that in the comment section, and we will do our best to actually start putting some of these things out. So this is right here. For those who would like to read about this, I'm going to put a link in the description. I'll bring you over to this page where you can read more about these things within the brand hub, and you can also read more about it right here. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.